Hello guys, today I'm going to be explaining how to plastic dip your wheels. So these are the basic things you need. So you're gonna need some tape. So I'm gonna be painting the emblems too, microfiber towel, and some like degreaser. You can find it on the Dollar Tree or Walmart. I bought this at Walmart for $2. And obviously we're gonna need the plastic dip. So let's get into it. I know plastic dip has not the best paint, but I could assure you that it's going to come out really good and it's going to be easy to take off if you do it the right way. So if you follow the steps, everything's going to be good. And I haven't had any issue at plastic dip on my car, so showing you that later. So the first thing I do cleaning the wheels is I'm gonna go over it with a dry microfiber towel and dry rims. So I'm gonna go to do this. So yeah, when you're done cleaning it with the dry microfiber towel, then the next step is to start shooting it with the product you buy for wheels or greaser. Make sure you get on those holes outside of the wheel. So we're gonna let it sit for like a couple seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the microfiber towel again, all around. To get these holes, I'm gonna use a brush. Now we're gonna go ahead and dry it up. So you guys probably asking why I'm gonna plastic dip these wheels. They're already black. So I'm gonna do it because of the scratches it has all around. It's gonna grow scars, so she be ripping these rims. And we're gonna try to cover that. But we're still gonna paint the whole thing. So now what you're gonna do is let them dry completely to start throwing the plastic. You could help it dry it off with the microfiber. If yours is already too wet, use a new one. So once it's dry, we're gonna put it back for the brake, so we don't like paint the brake. That's if you don't want to, they will still come off if you paint them. You gotta be careful with the back not touching the rim, because if it sticks to it, the plastic dip is gonna stick to the back, and when you take it off, it's gonna peel off. When you get a plastic dip, test it on a cardboard or something to make sure that it's like spraying good. Sprays on the line. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by like this side of the rim, then we're gonna go over. So nothing's gonna happen if it like paints the tire, because it will peel off. Like this tire is not like the plastic won't stick to it. So once you start driving, it will peel off, or you could take it out when you're done. So now my technique is what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in the side, then in there. So right here. So you get every inch the rim. Try not to get too close to it so it doesn't like start dripping. So let's keep it going. So I'm gonna paint the cap just because I'm going to take it out later, and that doing that I can show you how it peels off really easy. Remember guys, this is light coat. If your rim is this color, make sure you still can see it so it doesn't drip or anything. Like, since this one is black, you cannot really tell if it's a light coat or a hard coat. So we're gonna let it dry for like 5 minutes, then we're gonna go ahead and hit it again. Let's go with the second coat. It hasn't dried all the way, but I think it's good to throw the second coat. So let's go. So now we're gonna let it dry for another 5 minutes. So this is the way I would take it off for the cap. I will use one of these. So let's just go ahead and try to like do this, stretch it up. Then just go ahead and do this. Smooth. You won't have any problems. So yeah guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoy your new looking wheels, and it won't damage it. It won't damage the wheels. I could assure you that. A lot of people say that it will, but it will not. I have tried this many times and it never has damaged anything for me. I have even painted cars and nothing has happened. Like, it would just come off really easy. Just, yeah, that's it.